Today we're going to show you how to make smoked chicken lollipops with the most incredible barbecue tandoori glaze. As always, great dishes require great meat, so grab yourself some skin-on chicken drumsticks. And in order to get them to stand up, you want to just chop off the end. You can keep these end pieces for biryanis and plows, etc., so don't throw those ones away. Next, we want to make an incision just around the leg at the top. So just score your knife around the bone at the top, cutting through the skin and the tendons there, and then just use your knife to scrape along the bone, and you'll see the skin and the meat will come really nicely and cleanly off. Last step, which really helps, is just to grab a paper towel because the skin and the tendons are quite slippery, and just pull off the rest. And simply repeat that process for however many drumsticks you have on hand. Each leg should only take you about 30 seconds or so it's relatively quick. Next step is to gather all the ingredients for our glaze. Now this glaze is really versatile. It has a barbecue-y type flavor with that Asian tandoori element. So if you're a fan of those flavors, then you're really gonna love this, and it goes with a lot of different things. Simply grab all the ingredients, combine in a pan, and leave it on there for about 5 to 10 minutes or so. Should thicken up to this kind of consistency, and then once you've got it there, just brush onto all of your chicken lollipops. You want to be quite light with the coating initially. Reason being, we're going to cook this on a smoker. You can equally cook this in an oven. It doesn't have to be on a fancy barbecue. But for us, keeping that first coat quite light will allow the smokiness in the barbecue to enter the chicken and give it that nice smoky flavor. So real simply, once your barbecue is up to temperature, just pop all the chicken legs standing up in there. If cooking this in a barbecue, then you want to aim for a temperature of around about 120 degrees, which is 250 F. That will give it a nice long time for the smoky flavor to enter the meat. Reapply your glaze every 10 to 15 minutes to build up that flavor. Our total cook time was around about 1 hour, 1 hour 10. If cooking this in an oven, I would use exactly the same procedure and process. Put your oven at about 120 degrees Celsius, and every 10 to 15 minutes just apply a thin layer of your glaze. And that's it. It's a very simple recipe, it's a very simple dish, and it has fantastic, incredible results. I really hope you guys give this one a try. And if you do, tag us and let us know. We'd love to see what you're coming up with. Take care.